you have to try to make a living. That's the key.
I hear ya. Hey, oh,
I'm here to sell something.
I'm so glad you're here because my car is the weekend, you know, it's kind of making this funny noise, and so I thought it might be the oil.
You know, it might be the oil making a funny noise.
Yeah, I mean, you know, like a lot of places are closed, and since you're here.
Don't tell a mechanic the oil to make it a funny noise, or he will charge you like $1,200.
What do you think? You could just look at it like real quick. I mean,
well, sure.
I mean, where it be. So
well, I'm paying for me to do work with.
Your hair looks amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Have you been using something different?
No, well, I just kind of put some of my car care products on my
I totally dig it. Like, I'm loving this vibe right now.
Cool. Well, thank you.
I was so glad to see you.
Well, good seeing you.
All right, bye. Take care.
I was hoping.
Oh, yeah, this is my floor. I gotta go. I gotta go right there. Yeah, is it okay? Everything good? Yeah?
Everything's good.
Okay, great.
Well,
I'll see you soon.
thanks.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, I'm trying to sell these car care products. We hopefully